Hey guys, it's Friction Pen, and we've got an update to our Lego Blacksmith Shop MOC that we're doing. And you can see I got a little bit of progress done on the roof. Obviously it's more of a, let's call it a skeleton roof, or an attempt, because like I say, I had to work on the angles and kind of where the roof pieces join together. I'm going to have to come up with some solutions there. And then some, obviously the decoration for the roof and the eaves and all of that is not quite done. So I just kind of wanted to get that shell made of the roof, get the skeleton outlay there, so we could kind of go from there and make changes as we need. So here you can see the front of the building. We've got our main door down here. We've got all of our wooden area for our second floor all filled in here. We've got our first roof, which comes down, and this is our little blacksmith shop where he works and makes his tools. And we will kind of turn this direction here, give you a look at where the two roofs are going to meet. And then this part of the house, you can see again it's all wood up at the top in this section here. Probably need to add something there to break up the plain brown, but again it's supposed to look like wood, so I don't know, there's not a whole lot of options really, but I may or may not leave it the way that it is there for now. But we got that roof section done, and then you can kind of see a little bit here. I've kind of played around with a little bit of decoration for the end because we want to try and hide some of this area. There's a big gap right here, obviously, where the two sides of the roof come together. We just kind of spin her around, and there's the other side of the roof. Things kind of too big for the camera shot, but we've got the back side of the building here, and obviously the roof will have shingles. It's not going to look just like that, but it will have some texture, and you will probably see that in the next update if I get all of these angles and the holes filled in. And then as I came around to this side, didn't really work out like I planned. This room is kind of offset because of the way I built it, so everything's kind of off center. That window's off center. I've got these little curved pieces here that stick out, and the roof will not work with these here. They stick out too far, so they will be in the way of the roof. So I've got to figure out if I want to do a different roof here, or just kind of move that over, or take these pieces out so that it doesn't outstretch, you know, even more there. But anyway, the idea was to build this up and then have another outstretched part with a window here. But it's not going to work because of the way the centering is of this wall. So I will have to come up with some kind of solution for that. As you can see, I've still got some different colored tiles on there. Still got an order or two that are outstanding that should have those in it. So we're hoping that we will have them soon, but they are just there now for placeholders. And again, depending on how this wall works out in this end of the building, that may or may not change there. I haven't really decided. But there you can see the chimney where it comes up in between the two roof sections in the two directions that we have. And then we're back around to the front. So that's pretty much what I got done, is just the built the walls up, got the angles on there, and kind of the frame built for the roof pieces, and attached those so I could kind of get an idea of what kind of work I had ahead of me and what options were going to work and what were not. So I think we're on track here for some pretty good progress next time. Hopefully the roof will be in its final state. It may not be in its finished state, but at least it'll be finalized. Then I'll decide if I really want to add another window and a little outstretched unit here, and then fix that other side that's kind of off kilter a little bit because of the way everything worked out with the angles. Excuse me. So that's pretty much what we got, guys. That's our update of the blacksmith shop for this week, and I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what you think, things that you like, just thoughts and opinions. It's kind of what we're doing these for, is to kind of show you guys the progress as these things come alive. Sometimes you'll see things that need to be changed. Other times you'll see things that don't need to be changed, but I changed them anyway for one reason or another. But that's essentially what these are for, is just to kind of give you guys a little peek at the buildings as they're coming together, instead of just showing you the final product. I kind of like these show as you go, if you will, type of videos where you kind of see the thing on a regular basis and kind of get to see it grow little by little and come to life. So anyway, hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.